Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to watch an exciting new video about bead weaving looms. How do you choose the right one? What types and varieties are there? Which one will suit you best? What kinds of projects can you make with them, and much more? This video will not be a tutorial on the weaving process itself. I have other videos on my channel that cover that. You can watch those as well. Here we're just reviewing looms for beginners so that you can choose the one that suits you best before making a purchase. By the way, you can buy them in my Etsy shop. The link is under the video. I categorize them into solid and adjustable. So let's start with a more detailed review. Let's go! Let's start with the solid looms. The first bead weaving loom is designed exclusively for short pieces of jewelry, such as bracelets or short choker necklaces. The working area, which means the maximum size of the beadwork, is 3.5 by 12.5 inches or 9 by 32 centimeters. It has the option to add a convenient hook system, which makes it easier to stretch the warp threads. It is not collapsible. It is very convenient to weave on this loom in any position. You can place it horizontally on a table as well as vertically on your lap or leaning against a wall or the edge of table. It is available in various colors: white, dark wood, natural wood, and there are limited edition with drawings and ornaments. It is the perfect option for a beginner who wants to start with bracelet weaving. However, more complex pieces, such as headbands or guerdons, cannot be made on it. The next loom model is more professional. Each one is available in different sizes and colors: natural wood and dark wood. The method for securing the warp threads involves slots on a rotating wooden part. For additional thread stability, you can also fix them with tape. This loom design allows you to move your finished piece up or down and make it any length you desire without any limitations. The only restriction is in width, but this is easily addressed by choosing the loom size that suits you. The loom is collapsible. With the largest size, you can weave any kind of piece: bracelets, wide necklaces, headbands, bands, guerdons, and long chokers. It is placed on a table and is very convenient. The next model is very similar to the previous one. However, there are a few important differences. These include its appearance, with a slightly different brown design featuring dark side surfaces, and the weight of the loom. This one is heavier, but more stable on your table. While weaving, it won't move or slide, providing extra comfort. The loom is collapsible. On this loom you can also weave any kinds of pieces: bracelets, wide necklaces, headbands, guerdons, belts, and long chokers. The warp threads are secured on rotating tubes. Additionally, the set includes special binders to further secure the threads to prevent them from moving. The larger model has extra holes to position the loom parts at the height that is most convenient for you. The next model is my personal favorite, because it has an unusual shape and is very convenient. The loom looks very modern and contemporary. It is available in two colors: natural wood and dark wood. The loom is collapsible. The assembly process is one of the quickest and easiest. On this loom you can weave pieces such as bracelets, narrow, wide necklaces, headbands, and long chokers. The size of the working area is 6.75 by 8.25 inches or 17 by 21 centimeters. The maximum width is limited, but the length can be any size. This is because the finished beadwork can be moved up or down and wound onto the rotating wooden parts. The next design comes in two sizes. The main advantage is their lightweight construction. They are the lightest among all the looms in my range, and they are also collapsible. This model is perfect for taking with you on a hike or to the park to weave your beadwork outdoors. The lightness is achieved through very thin side walls. However, this is also a drawback, as this model is much less durable than the previous ones and needs extra protection when transported because it can easily break. The price is very affordable due to the minimal materials used. The warp threads are secured with small nails. The working area dimension can be seen on the screen. The next two models are designer pieces. They are the highest quality among all the looms in the range. The wood is beautifully finished. They are available in two colors, natural wood and dark wood. These models are collapsible. The regular metal hardware has been replaced with handcrafted wooden handles. These handles have a beautiful shape, feel incredibly smooth to the touch and make it easier to move the woven section on the loom. One of the models includes an additional small magnet, which can be attached to either the right or left side of the loom, depending on whether you are left-handed or right-handed. This magnet is a convenient place to keep your needle and thread during breaks in weaving. The working area dimensions can be seen on the screen. These are the last of the solid looms, and now we move on to the adjustable ones. The main feature of the movable looms is that they have adjustable parts, allowing you to change the size of the working area. You can either increase or decrease it. For example, if you want to weave a bracelet, you can reduce the size of the workspace. If you're making a lawn item, you can increase it. This model is available in two colors, natural wood and dark. It also includes additional side holes for more convenient placement of loom elements, exactly as you need them. However, this loom is the most challenging to assemble. It is shipped disassembled, and assembling it makes quite a bit of time. But that's not a problem, as there is a detailed video tutorial on my channel showing the assembly process. You can see the approximate dimension of the working area on the screen. The next two loom models are also movable. As you can see, both one and multiple parts of the loom can move. It is semi-disassemblable. One part can be removed for easier transportation, but the main part of the loom cannot be disassembled. You can also see how to assemble it in another video on my channel. These models have size limitations and are not suitable for very wide projects. You can see the dimensions of the working area on the screen. However, keep in mind that the length of the working area can be adjusted using the movable parts. The next design comes in two sizes. These are the second lightest looms among all the models. They are lightweight and disassemblable. This model is also ideal to take with you on a trip or to the park to create your beadwork in nature. One important feature is that you need to secure the side hooks very firmly to prevent the loom from moving. Additionally, ensure that the right and left sides are evenly spaced from the bottom to keep the finished product even. The price is very affordable due to the minimal use of materials. The base threads are attached using small nails. You can see the dimensions of the working area on the screen. These are all the looms we have reviewed today. One additional feature I would like to mention is that all the looms are suitable for bead weaving with bead size from 8 to 11, whether Czech or Japanese. As you can see on the screen, the threading on each loom is different, but you can place the threads not in every groove, but every other one or more. Additionally, you should start weaving your beadwork 5 or 8 centimeters from the edge. This allows you to tighten or loosen the threads to the desired width. Thank you for watching the video. Choose the loom for bead weaving that you like and purchase it using the link below the video. Right now there are discounts in the store. You can also buy all the materials for weaving there, including beads, threads, needles, clasps and patterns. I would appreciate your like and subscription to my channel. See you next time. Bye!